Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 2. Feed others. There was once a man who had nothing to eat. Knowing that the Prophet was extremely generous, he decided to go and ask him for some help. The Prophet welcomed the man into his home and asked his wife.
"Do we have anything to eat?"
She replied,
"No, all we have is some water to drink."
So the Prophet returned to the masjid and called out.
"Who will give food to this man?"
Imam Ali alayhi salam was quick to volunteer,
"Let me take him to my house."
offered the Imam. So the man followed him to his house. Sayyidah Fatima alayhi salam was thrilled to have guests, and since this makes Allah happy, but she told Imam Ali alayhi salam,
"We only have enough food for one person, but we will give what little food we have to our guest."
The Imam alayhi salam smiled and began serving his guest. He then made an excuse to leave the room because he did not want to embarrass his guest. The next morning, when the Imam reached the masjid for Salah, the Prophet came to him and greeted him. Wiping away tears from his eyes, he told him,
"The angels were very touched by the way your family treated your guest last night. Because of your hospitality, Allah sent down this verse.
They put others before themselves, even though they are in need.
Surely, Allah loves those who feed others."